Welcome to the SCiNiTO how-to video series, where we guide you step by step through using SCiNiTO's powerful research features. In this video, you'll learn how to create and verify your SCiNiTO account. SCiNiTO is an AI-powered research assistant with a free plan for individuals and an institutional plan that unlocks advanced tools like Reviewer and PDF analysis. To access the institutional account, make sure to register using your university or organization email. To get started, search for SCiNiTO.ai and open the official website. On the homepage, click Start for Free to begin the registration process. You'll be directed here and then click Sign In. If you already have an account, you can log in from here. And if not, click Register and fill out the form to create your SCiNiTO account. On the registration page, you'll also see an option to subscribe to the SCiNiTO newsletter. We recommend checking it to get monthly tips, case studies, and ways to make your research process smoother. After completing the form, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the verification link to activate your account and start using SCiNiTO. Once you log in, there are two possible cases. If your university or organization is already subscribed, you'll see a message confirming your access through your email domain or IP address. You can then explore all SCiNiTO features without limitation. If you're using a personal email or your institution isn't yet connected, you'll still have access to unlimited search and limited AI chat features. If your university or organization doesn't yet have access, and you'd like to connect it to the SCiNiTO research ecosystem, simply contact us via email. Our team will reach out to your institution and help set up access.